Have you ever want to host your website with free of cost, but don't know how? Every hosting company has different hosting plans. But don't worry, this video help you to create a fully free of cost website, and you will also host a free domain. You can host your WordPress website. Don't be panic. In just a few minutes you got your answer. If you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe now and press the bell icon to stay connected with us. In my previous days I have created a video that helps you to find out all free web hosts are available in the market. But few of them don't support any free domain. But 2 of them support the free domain. The major problem of Infinity Free is, it is too much slow. But 000 Web Host provides ultra-fast speed. So I will use 000 Web Host. Open 000 Web Host. Scroll down and click on Free Sign Up. Now here, sign up with your email ID and password. Now we have to verify it. First thing first. Here, click on any of these. Here, set the project name and set the password to blank. Here I will upload the file. Open public HTML folder. Before upload, you have to encrypt the file with zip. Now click here and upload your file. All done. Now extract this file from here. Now move all these. Okay, back to the previous app. Here, click on My Sites. If you don't find, then again log into 000 Web Host. As you see, your website is hosted. Here it is, your URL address. But it is too long and it contains a subdomain. First, we have to buy a domain. But I will use a free domain. Open this website, link is in my description box. This website is best for free domain. Type a name for your website and click on check availability. If the domain is available, click on get it now. Click here to check out. Select the period of usage and continue. Here, sign up with your email address and verify it. Give your details and complete your order. Now log in again. Click on Services in My Domains. Back to the 000 Web Host tab. Now click Manage Website. Click Tools. Click Set Web Address. Here, click on Add Domain. Click on Park Domain. Here, type your domain address. Before that, copy DNS name servers. Open again Freenom. Here, click on Manage Domain. Click on Management Tools and click on Name Servers. Click on Custom Name Servers and paste here the name servers. All done, your website is now hosted with your free domain. If you want to host your website with WordPress, it is quite easy. Click on Manage Website. Now scroll down and click Install WordPress. Set username and password and install it. After install, you can handle it with your username and password. If you have any doubts and queries, write below in my comment section. Always hit a like that inspire me to create a lot of videos.